In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a perfect rectangle in AutoCAD. To create a perfect rectangle in AutoCAD, start by typing REC and press Enter to activate the rectangle command. Once the command is active, click anywhere in the drawing area to specify the first corner of the rectangle. Next, move your cursor to the opposite corner and click to complete the shape. AutoCAD will automatically create a rectangle with straight horizontal and vertical edges. For more accurate dimensions, you can enter the exact measurements after selecting the first corner. Type the desired values and press Enter to create a rectangle based on the size you need. The rectangle command is useful when you need to quickly create accurate rectangular shapes while maintaining straight edges and precise measurements. It is commonly used when creating layouts, designs, and drawings that require perfect corners and consistent dimensions. You can repeat the same process whenever you need another rectangle. Start the rectangle command, select the first corner, choose the opposite corner, and enter the required measurements if needed. When you are finished creating your rectangle, press Enter to end the rectangle command. And that's how to make a perfect rectangle in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.